particulars of the offense being that on the last dates between 16th January 2019 and 15th July 2020 at Parklands in Westlands Sub-County within Nairobi County, you stole 1.9 million through internet banking from Absa Bank Limited account number. It is given there, belonging to one Patrick Monsieur Ndolo, which you transferred to your account number, which is given here, domiciled at Equity Bank Limited. Now, Patrick Monsieur reported in June 2018, he went to Absa Bank to deposit some money, and he made the accused to say there who was a salesman. They became familiar, and the accused kept on visiting him at his shop, and later employed on the witness to deposit money in fixed account as well as in current account. So these two accounts were opened, and consequently, the complainant deposited 1.2 million in the fixed account and a sum of 600,000 in current account, which the accused opened at the instructions of the complainant. In November 2020, the witness went to withdraw the monies, but he was given a bank statement to show that in both accounts there was no money left there because they had been transferred to the accused's account. And the cross-examination, the accused has no questions for him. So General Zinjue, an employee of the bank, also supplied some documents in evidence, like the mandate for internet banking, account opening documents, account opening and bank account statement as exhibits, and the certificate of computer in respect to both accounts that were at Absa and Equity for the accused person. He went to demonstrate also that the internet banking was opened without the instructions from the complainant. This was done by the accused person. Nicholas Maura, also an employee of Equity Bank, brought also the same documents to show that the money landed into the account of the accused at Equity Bank. I also produced documents, all of them, to demonstrate that indeed this money was transferred from the accused account and it went from the complainant to the accused account. In your defense, I heard what you told court. You said that you met the complainant at Absa Bank, and you became familiar. The complainant continued to lend you money, but when Corona struck, you were unable to repay, and you ended up in court. Section 269 of the Penal Code says a person who frequently without claim of right takes anything capable of being stolen or frequently converts to the use of any person other than the general or special owner thereof, any property is said to steal that thing or property. In the case of money, and intends to use it at the will of the person who takes or converts it, although he may intend afterwards to return the money to the owner, that is still theft. Having summarized the facts and the law, taking into account all the parameters of this offense, it is clear by the bank statements, opening account forms, that indeed the accused used internet banking and transferred unlawfully or fraudulently a sum of 1.6 million from the complainant's account. The reasons advanced by the accused was that it was monies that was lent to him, but was unable to pay. However, this is not satisfactory, as there was no form of communication between the two. Additionally, it's clear that the accused used internet banking to siphon out monies from that account without the consent of the complainant. And the money landed in his account at Equity Bank. The complainant did not participate in the transfer of these funds to the accused person. Simply put, this was theft. I find you guilty and convict you under section 215 of the CPC. Your past records?
Ricordiamo.
Anything in mitigation before sentence?
Your name, mitigation, if I may.
Okay.
The accused is a first-time offender, and he's highly remorseful, Your Honor. During the ongoing of the case, Your Honor, he even did attempt to pay back some of the money, amounting to a sum of around 450,000, Your Honor. Your Honor, he is also a family man with a fixed adult. Within the Republic, Your Honor. Your Honor, he's also been attending court religiously up to the very conclusion of this matter. Your Honor, we will therefore be praying on these grounds that he be granted a lenient sentence with an option of a fine.
Mitigations by the accused person, and the nature of the offense and the manner in which the offense was committed. I've also taken into account that he is a first offender and that the judiciary's sentencing policy which guides on sentencing. I sentenced the accused to a fine of 100,000 shillings and forward to serve 3 years imprisonment with a period of 14 days, and that the complainant is at liberty to file a case for the recovery of the money at the small claims court.
Maybe just make one application.
Yes.
He did deposit a cash payment.